Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making combination fried rice. Okay, so I have here 5 eggs, pepper, green onions, soy sauce, seasoning, some bell peppers, so green, red, yellow and orange bell peppers. So I have all 4 colors here. Okay, I have ginger and garlic paste. I have onion, white onion. I have my vegetable oil. I have chicken, shrimp, and then beef. Okay, so let's go ahead and start cooking. So to start, we're gonna go ahead and whisk our egg. So the egg is ready. We're gonna transfer it to the pan and just scramble this egg and let it cook for a little bit. So we go in here with a little bit of vegetable oil. Go in with the egg. So guys, your egg is ready. You don't want to overcook it. So we come in here with vegetable oil. You go in here with the onion. You come in with your chicken. Beef, come in with your seasoning, a little bit of pepper, ginger and garlic paste, give it a good mix and let it cook. I'm gonna come here now with my bell peppers. I'm gonna go in with my shrimp. A little bit of green onion. Then I'll give it a very good mix. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to stir everything in. Let it cook for a minute because I'm not trying to overcook the shrimp. So guys, right now this is ready. So I'm going to put this down and then we can start with our combination fried rice. Right now I'm going to go in here with my oil. So this is our fried rice mix for the combination fried rice. So I'm going to add it now into my wok and then start. So I'm going to come here with my rice. right now I'm gonna come here with my eggs. That sound is to tell you that it's frying, it's not cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for just 1 minute, and then our combination fried rice is ready. So right now, guys, your combination fried rice is ready. Okay, we're gonna go in here with just a little bit of green onions, just for color. And that's it. This rice is ready. There you go, ninjas. Your mouth-watering and delicious combination fried rice is ready. Just like that. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Until I see you in the next one, have yourself a very blessed day. Bye-bye.